Want to start creating professional digital art right from home? It's easier than you think. You don't need a fancy studio, just a computer or tablet, a drawing pad or stylus, and digital art software. You can use Procreate or Krita to begin. Digital art is flexible. You can undo mistakes and work in layers. It's easy to share your work instantly online. Don't rush into buying expensive gear or imitating pros right away. Focus on mastering the basics: shapes, perspective, color theory, and lighting. Practice by sketching every day. Complete small projects. Study artists you admire to learn new techniques. Explore styles you enjoy: fantasy, anime, pixel art. Try 3D modeling. Build a portfolio with finished art to track progress and get feedback from others. With patience and steady practice, digital art can become a source of income: commissions, game art, or digital products. The best part? Anyone can start, so pick up your stylus, dive in, and create your own visual stories today. Please like and subscribe to digitalartworld.com. Thanks for watching.